Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's edition. We'll be explaining to you how to install this website, SMS Gateway. Yeah, quickly let's explain what this website does. SMS Gateway. SMS Gateway acts as the bridge between different communication protocols, allowing digital systems like web apps, CRM platforms, or servers to communicate with the mobile phone networks that handle SMS messages. Yeah, it can send bulk or single messages to users, receives and processes incoming SMS. Yes. So it's also used for marketing and promotions, notification, alerts, two-factor authentication, customer support, so on and so forth. Yeah, now let's move to the solution of this website. Like I do see, you should already have your subdomain and your database. I've created my subdomain and my database. Now let's go to our file manager and we're going to upload the file. You know that when after you purchase from Code Canyon, you're going to get your zip code and your file. So you're going to upload the file here. Yes. So while it loads, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And if you need the full installation, you can contact us through these details on your screen. Yes, while it's upload finish, now you go back to your folder. Yes, we now have the zip file here. So now we're going to extract it. We're going to extract the zip file. Yes, extract files. Yes. So this is the folder here. So you open the folder and you have all your folders and other files inside the SMS folder. So now I'm going to select or I'm going to move them back. I'm going to move everything back to your root folder. I'm going to move everything back to your root folder. Yes, move files. Just can you see it's now empty. Then you go back. Yeah, we now have everything in our root folder. Can you see? So now search for your your, your domain or subdomain, any of the two. Yeah, while it loads, yes, can you see SMS gateway? Now click on next. Yes, we have this solution list. We're going to fill all these. Don't forget, since you have your database, you should see you have created your database, then you have your name and your password kept somewhere. So now let's do this. Let's fill this. Yeah, email, password, like, if you need the full installation of this website, kindly reach out to us through the details on your screen. We are available, we are active, and we're going to deliver in just 48 hours. Yes. So since you have your copy, yes, copy your password, place it. Then we have this also. Now this here, you can change your time zone if you want. Change your time zone. Fill this also. Then you click on the install. Yes, can you see? Wow, success. So finally I've installed this. Then to sign in, like let's sign in with your email address and your password you just filled just now. I'm going to sign in again. Let's sign in. Yeah, sign in. Click on the sign in. Yes, can you see? Yes, you are in. So if you want to connect your device, you're going to scan this. You scan this through the app on your phone. After you scan it, automatically it's going to get activated. So it has other features. Yes, showing the pending, numbers of pending messages, number of scheduled messages, numbers of messages on the queue, numbers of sent messages, received messages, failed, cancelled, and the numbers of messages that has been delivered. Yes, SMS Gateway is a very good and very beautiful website for you to, for those that basically would use this for the bulk SMS. Like I want to send bulk messages. Yes, this SMS Gateway is very good for people like them. Yes, it has many features. So if you need the full installation of this website, don't forget we are active and available. Just contact us through the details on your screen. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share.